My name is Madison Mosquita. I go to Western University. I'm going into my 4th year, and I'm currently the digital marketing intern here at NVISION. As the digital marketing intern here at NVISION, I help out all the digital marketing specialists in their day-to-day tasks, and I also do a bit of the project management. I have different tasks every day, different projects. Some are ongoing, some are just day-to-day, but every single day that I'm here, there's something new, something exciting, and another new task thrown my way. Some of my favorite tasks here at NVISION are probably to do with social. I've learned a lot from the social media specialist here, Bowie, and she uses me a lot for certain tasks. I think I've also really grown to love blog writing, and so I've worked alongside our copywriter, Steve, quite a bit, and surprisingly, at least to me, I've really grown to like SEO. So our SEO specialist, Dan, has really taught me a lot, and I feel like I've really grown into liking that. I feel like some of the challenges I had to face when I started here at NVISION was the ability to be vulnerable and to ask the questions, even though sometimes you might think that they're dumb questions, but no questions are dumb, and that's something I really had to realize. I have the utmost respect for each individual on the management team, and each one in their own ways has become a mentor of mine. They have all taken me under their wing, made sure I was okay, made sure I feel comfortable, made sure I was most importantly learning. The connections I've made here at NVISION are so valuable, and I honestly appreciate each one so much on such a professional level. These are people I will continue to interact with for the rest of my life and for the rest of my career. They have really helped me grow. They have taught me so much that it's honestly insane. And these professional connections have also grown into personal ones. These are now people I genuinely care for and I want to see excel not only in a workforce, but in their personal lives as well. And so the connections really are just so valuable to me. So in school, I've been studying media, information, and technoculture, which in the grand scheme of things is a lot of professional communications. It incorporates marketing, journalism, and a whole spectrum of things. And so being able to bring what I've learned and apply it into a workforce was amazing. However, being able to do it hands-on has taught me so much, and stuff I could not have learned just from writing the papers and the essays and putting in the hard work I did the past 3 years. What I've learned here is so hands-on, it is so valuable, and it has really given me a taste of what it feels like to actually work in digital marketing. When I went into school and I went into the program I went into, I had no clue where it was gonna lead me. Now I know for sure. I feel like I really needed that hands-on experience and actually being able to work for such an amazing digital marketing agency to actually realize oh, this is what I wanna do for the rest of my life. A lot of my friends are just people I know who have also been doing internships over the past few months. They've been given roles such as to go get coffee or to maybe do the filing work, and I've been so fortunate here at NVISION to not have to do any of that. I've really gotten hands-on experience in all aspects of digital marketing. Each of the specialists has taken time to really invest in me and sort of teach me everything that they know, which I've been so grateful for. So to sum it up, I feel like my entire experience here at NVISION would really be not only a growing point, but a turning point for me. If I were to give advice to anyone looking to get into digital marketing, I would probably say to be vulnerable, ask the dumb questions, don't be scared to be wrong, and bug people. I find here that I try to talk to everyone as much as I can. I really try to say, oh, do you need help with anything? Do you have any tasks for me? And I feel like that has really helped me, especially here at NVISION, and I feel like that would probably be what I would tell people. Be vulnerable, ask the questions, and don't be scared to ask people for tasks or to teach you things that you don't know. Get into digital marketing, it's fun.
Awesome, all right, great.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw today, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with somebody who you find will get value out of what you watched today.